Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's our video is for class 9 and we are going to discuss on a very important concept of physics, that is registers and the system of registers. In today's session we will discuss about registers and when they are connected into combined form how they react. Till now, we were only using one type of resistors in an electrical circuit. But what will happen if you try to connect two or more numbers of resistors in electrical circuit? There will be certain change in that circuit. So what type of change will happen when more numbers of resistors are connected to the circuit? Will the circuit will form different types of components? So what is the change is happening into the electrical circuit that we are going to see in today's session. Before starting of the system of resistors, we should understand what actually the resistor is. Resistor is what? It is an electrical component that regulates the flow of electric current in a circuit. And by using these resistors, we will try to understand the systems of resistors. Here, we will discuss the two types of resistors, that is a series type of resistors or the series combination or a parallel combination. By using these two combination or the connection, we will see how the resistor react between these two circuits. So let's start. Resistor in series or parallel. By combining resistor in series or parallel, resistance of any value can be obtained. If the resistors are connected in parallel, the effective resistance will be less than the least value of resistance. If the resistors are connected in series, the effective resistance will be greater than the highest value of resistance. So series combination of resistance. Law of series resistance. When two or more resistances are connected in series, then the total resistance of combination is equal to algebraic sum of individual resistances. Calculation. This figure shows that three resistance of the resistance R1, R2 and R3 ohm connected in series. This combination is connected to the terminals of a battery of potential difference V. Same current I flows through all of them. V1, V2 and V3 are the potential difference across the resistances. V is the potential difference across the combination. Then V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is our equation first. Then V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 is equal to IR3. If Rs is the resistance of series combination, then V is equal to IRs. Now put this value in equation number 1. Equation becomes IRs is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. By cancelling the same current I, we get Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Second, parallel combination of resistance. When two or more resistances are connected in parallel, then reciprocal of total resistance to algebraic sum of reciprocals of individual resistances. Calculation. Figure shows three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 connected in parallel. The combination is connected to the terminals of a battery of potential difference V. All resistors have same potential difference V here. Suppose I1, I2 and I3 are the currents through the resistors and I is the total current in the combination. Then I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is our equation 1. Then I1 is equal to V upon R1, I2 is equal to V upon R2 and I3 is equal to V upon R3. If Rp is the total resistance of parallel combination, then I is equal to V upon Rp. Now putting this value in equation first, we get V upon Rp is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. That is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So, in today's session, we discussed on the system of resistors. Two system of resistors we'll discuss today, parallel combination and a series combination. When these two combinations or these two connections are there, what is the current of flow, how the current will flow into these circuits, that we have seen today. I hope you understand this video very well. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel and you also can share this video to your friends also. Thank you.